NASDAQ this week has lost its value, and we can see how the week has started. After the week has closed this day, with this bullish candle, we can see that the price has formed this gap on the start of the week, and the price returned back down to close the gap and continue to rise in value. It was continuation of this bullish breakout, which I mentioned in the previous week analysis. And then we can see the price has formed another bullish breakout, indicating further rise in value, but the next day the price has invalidated this bullish breakout as valid one, indicating a decline in value. This has continued to all the way in the next 2 days, reaching the first support level at 21,000. On Friday, we can see the price has formed a bearish breakout below this area of support and reached 2761 as support level. Weekly time frame shows me currently a bearish breakout below the very important support level. Monthly time frame currently shows me a bearish candle, and we can see that in the previous month the price formed this bearish pin bar right here at the resistance level. In the previous week I have mentioned that this is a bearish pin bar indicating further decline in value, but it's very important to see that we are currently in the bullish momentum, bullish trend, so it is potentially invalid this bearish pin bar. We'll see how the price behaves in this month. Now for the next week, what I'm expecting because of this bearish breakout, we can see that on the weekly time frame we have a bearish breakout on the daily. Below that I'm expecting to see the price again at 2761. After that, if the price makes a bearish breakout below this area of support, the 2445.01 is the next target for the price, and it will try to reach this area. But if the price returns on a Monday again here, which will invalidate this bearish breakout, the price will continue to rise its value all the way to 2255.17, the resistance level. So let's see how the Monday goes. Will it confirm this bearish breakout, continue to lose its value, or it will invalidate this bearish breakout indicating a rise in value? That's all for this week. See you next time and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time and a happy trading.